I'm Erin Rowe. I am a meal prep strategist, and you know that I try to eat non-processed food and keep chemicals out of my life with what I consume, but I also want to replace all of my cleaning products and some toiletries, which I've been doing over the years, but then I got into the bad habit of just using whatever things my family would have around, and I ran out of dishwasher detergent, so I decided, let me order from Grove Collaborative. I thought I would give it a try, and this is not sponsored, it's not an ad, this is just my first box of what I received. Now the reason I ordered from there and not Vitacost, where I get so much of my things, is because for your first order you get a lot of free products. So I'm going to go through them and I'm going to give you what the prices would be. The first thing I got is this glass, so reusable, sustainable, long-lasting, with silicone sleeve bottle. So this, I guess, you keep under your sink. You put whatever cleaning product you'd like in it. The bottle's $12.95. It also came with orange and rosemary glass cleaner. I guess you add water. This is $15, okay? $14.95, white, gray, or green. I got green because it was limited edition, and I'm into green lately. So this is a Caddy. Most people use it under their sink for these other three products I got. So this orange Clove multi-surface cleaner by Meyer. I didn't get everything by Meyer, but a lot. And Bluebell flavored dish soap. I figured if it's free, I'll try all the weird flavors. And hand soap in Pine, Iowa pine, because I saw one of the comments said, oh, I like the pine, and they only have it for Christmas probably. The dish soap and hand soap together are like $6. And then the multi-purpose cleaner is $3.89. I know you can get these things in Target, but with this first order you get all these free things, and Target is really kind of the same price when I was comparing. I also got these two walnut and cellulose scrubber sponges. I never use sponges because people say they're germy, but I guess these are made from plant materials, so of course I'd like to try them. And then I got, it says Stoneware tray, but I took it out so you could see it. This you put behind your sink, and you would put like your sponge and your dish soap, so you could be like Pinterest worthy. Just so it looks nice and clean and catches the water and doesn't ruin your countertop. All that free stuff came to about $52, and I will show you what I actually bought based on the reviews that I saw. Now I did stock up on the dish soap because I don't always use a dishwasher. What is this? Honeysuckle? Because that's not a scent that like you see in Target. I tried to get the weird ones because I want to try all of the scents. Basil. So that's to wash your dishes. And then for the dishwasher, which is originally how I got into this huge order, is I got 7th generation. You do over time ingest the littlest bit of residue for decades and decades. And I just want to remove that toxin from my body. So I figure, why not get this free and clear? And I also got a soap refill for like the bathroom. Lavender. I thought it would save plastic if I got like the refill instead of the small one. It's recycled plastic. Something else that's cool is these tissues are not made of trees. These tissues I think are made of bamboo and sugar cane. I needed to reach $40 to get a free something, so I got just tissues. I was just adding things. So 2 boxes of tissues. I got hand sanitizer because even though I'm kind of against sanitizer, this is mostly alcohol. I think it's orange, blood orange. So I got that. That was $4. The tissues were $2. I forgot to tell you. The dish detergent was $5.49, so that's like what you'd find at Target or if you go to Walmart. The soaps were $3.89, and I wanted to tell you something else. I got one of those bags, it's upstairs, of Method soap, like the reusable squeeze top bags. And on Grove, they were $5.99. And on Vitacost, I just got one for $5.09, but I had a 15% off code, which I usually don't have at Vitacost. So it really is good pricing at Grove. I also got this, which is kind of weird, and it was a splurge because I try to be very practical. And it's a European dishcloth. But since I'm very into reusable items right now, I thought, let me try this, ultra absorbent. And then I got 2 more things. Everybody raved about Method Anti-Back. I guess it's like Lysol. I don't know, I have to read it. Spearmint flavored. Yeah, spray version of Lysol in my mind. 99% of household germs are killed. Bathroom tubs, toilets. All right, maybe it's not like Lysol. I guess it's like a bathroom desanitizer. This is almond flavored floor cleaner, and it's by Method, like amaretto. I need a good wood floor cleaner. I always used Orange Glow. I'm sure that has chemicals in it, so I thought this would be a good thing to try. Flavor doesn't really matter. I'm not ingesting it, but again, pets go on your bed, you put your face, so the more toxins you can remove, the better. I went through that quickly, so the pricing of the things I paid for was 9 things. It was $40.50, if you give or take a few cents, and then the free things were $52. So I got $92 worth of items. The soaps will last me a few months, I assume. Paid at $42, again I rounded, so $52 worth of free items. And they don't send you things every month. You can just put your next ship date. I put like 3 months from now just because I'll have to see what I run out of, what I like. And I buy dish soap anyway. I buy dishwasher detergent anyway, and I buy hand soap. So whenever I want something, I'll just go through them because it's delivered to me for free because I paid a one-time $20 fee. So for the whole next year, no matter what I get, even if it's like one item, it ships free. And I know it will keep me from going to Target and buying random things, although I do buy food from Target. And it will just be more convenient. While I work, I don't always have time to go and get the soap, so I do try to have backups. I just thought with the free perks they give you upon sign up, with the free gifts that I've heard are included throughout the months. I think you get an email and they'll tell you have something for free to add to your cart. It seems like it is worth your money more. It's not just one of those boxes that you don't need. It's things that you use. So I will put my link below because obviously anybody who orders, they give a link and then you can tell your friends about it. So it's that type of thing. It costs no extra to you to use my link. If you choose not to, that's cool too. But hopefully you got a quick idea of what Grove Collaborative has to offer. If you liked this video, please click the thumbs up and hit subscribe and hit the bell so you'll know when I bring you more videos, and happy shopping!